If you're over 40 and you're waking up feeling exhausted, even after 8 hours of sleep, pay close attention. Your liver might be struggling under a heavy load of metabolic waste. Most people think this fatigue is just a part of getting older, but it's often just a clogged filter. Today, I'm showing you 3 forgotten drinks that act like a biological reset button for your energy. No expensive detox kits, no gimmicks, just pure biology. Now, why the liver? Think of your liver as your body's primary chemical plant. It filters every drop of blood, metabolizes fats, and neutralizes toxins. But after 40, our natural enzyme production begins to dip. This is where the silent damage begins, a slow buildup that manifests as brain fog, stubborn belly fat, and that heavy afternoon crash. The problem is, we usually try to fix this with more caffeine, but caffeine just whips a tired horse. To get real energy, you have to flush the filter. And the simple fix starts with what you drink before your first meal of the day. Drink number 1, dandelion root tea. This isn't just a weed, it's a bitter powerhouse. Bitters trigger the gallbladder to release bile, which is exactly how the liver flushes out fat-soluble toxins. It's a deep clean for your internal pipes. Drink number 2, fresh beetroot juice. Beets contain betalains that help reduce liver inflammation. If you feel sluggish or heavy, this is your go-to. Just 4 ounces is enough to support liver function, though remember, this is about support, not medical treatment. Drink number 3, the liquid gold. Warm lemon, turmeric, and black pepper. Lemon provides the vitamin C to reduce oxidative stress on your cells, but the turmeric is the star for regeneration. Crucial tip, you must add a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in the pepper boosts turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Without it, the magic doesn't happen. The real daily habit? Pick just one of these and drink it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before your coffee or breakfast. This gives your liver a clean slate to start the day. You don't have to accept fatigue as your new normal. Get tested first, consult your doctor, and give your body the tools it needs to heal itself. Stop guessing about your health and let's start hacking your biology together. Join the Energy Corner community and subscribe for more science-backed protocols. I'm here to help you revitalize your energy, one sip at a time. I'll see you in the next one.